Hi everyone, this is Zulfia from Sri Venkateswar College of Engineering. So I'm going to discuss about a topic from the subject FSD 21 CS61, whose course code is. The topic is about Django and its benefits. So introduction to Django and its benefits is Django is a powerful Python framework for building web application. It is known for its efficiency, scalability, and security. Setting up a Django project is like create a virtual environment, install Django, start a new project. How we are going to start the project in the Django is these are the major steps. What we have to do is we have to create a virtual environment where we can install Django as well as we can start a web project. Whatever we are going to work on, we will do. So in the creating a virtual environment would be like it isolates your projects dependencies and prevents conflicts, like it will be only working on the R projects. It gives a isolated environment to the project. Then the installation of Django, we can install the latest version of the Django using pip. There are some commands we need to put it to install the Django. Then starting a new project is it's like using the Django admin start project command to start a new project. That is a very common easy thing. To start a new project, we can have a command like start project command where we can start the project. Next is creating a Django app. How we are creating a Django app using this. To create an app, use the command Django dash start admin start app to create a new Django app. Like before creating an app, we are going to commands. Obviously, in the terminal, we are going to write commands Django admin startup to create a new Django app where it starts creating an app. Now, configuring the app is like register the app in the main project setting.py file where we are going to put everything settings like settings.py file. We have to register there as a main project and we have to fill it that. Then add routes. Define URL patterns of your app in the urls.py file. The path are very important. So path we have to define as URL patterns. There are many we have to define. In the specific is the urls.py file where we can define. Create views. So views are very important. There are many views in there. Whatever views we are going to display, we have to create a view functions in the views.py file to handle request and return responses. So next is understanding the key files in Django project. So these are the main key files: urls.py, views.py, and models.py. Let's know something about them. Is like urls py.py is like file defines the URL patterns of your project. It maps URLs to specific view functions. Then views.py is like file contains the view functions that handles incoming requests and generate responses. Yes, whatever the incoming requests we are getting from the users, it can generate responses too. So models.py is a file defines the data models of your project. It describes the structure of your database tables. Deploying the Django applications. Okay. Deploying is nothing but releasing the total Django application, whatever we have built. Like first we have to do is choose a deployment platform where we are going to deploy, where we can release our application that it can works best. It gives the best results. It can be used more. We will first go as you choose a deployment platform first. So select a hosting provider or a cloud platform that supports Django. Yeah, Django should be supported by the hosters. That is important. Configure deployment is like set up the necessary configurations such as database settings and the environmental variables. So main things what we are going to work on, you have to configure those things where the configuration is very necessary in the Django while deployment. Next, deploy your project. Upload your project files to the servers, and the servers, the whatever the project files are going to be uploaded in the server is going to work in the Django. As you have seen before, Okay, as we have seen before, this how is the this Django application is being used or created. While creating Django, we have to take care of the views, URL patterns, and these all things because these are the main important things where we are going to immerse this in the project where it will be showing the single individual patterns. Like if you are, it is not like all you are putting it in the one. No, we have to give the individual category for everything as a view, as a model, as a URL also. It describes the path, it describes the performance, it gives every different thing what we are making. So basically deployment of the Django's application is just similar like once the application is done, we need to test it first with ourselves, then the deployment is possible because if there is any issues after making any Django application, it will be proceed as a failure project. So the project should be done from us. Then the deployment has to be chosen after the testing. So before after testing, the deployment is done to the platform where the which supports the Django first. If there is no there is an unknown application, that's no use of that cloud platform or that supports anything for Django is very compulsory to be done. So configuring development is as I said, like configuration is very important. Necessary configuration should be there to host the proper database settings in the environment variables. So whatever the environment is there, which is selected for the Django, it has to be the similar thing, which it can perform its which it can be performed well. So project as all the files are delivered to the servers, it can be well used, well performed. So that will be the project. Thank you.